Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vee Beauty. In today's video I'm just going to show you a little bit more technical cut crease. By the time we move on to the video, I would have done one eye, so I'll show you how to do the other eye, how I achieved that look. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you liked the video. I hope you learned something. Let's not waste too much time here and just go straight to the video. All right, so guys, I already did this eye and I'm just going to show you how I'm going to create this look on the other eye. Yeah, so I'm just going to go ahead now and follow the same steps I used in achieving this eye. So I'm gonna head to, do my foundation, my concealer, every other thing is set. I'm just going to fix everything with my Zikel setting spray. Woo, woo, woo. This is the process that I absolutely love. Like the feeling of, oh, I'm done. Let's now set it. So guys, this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed how I achieved this eye. I didn't show you both eyes because I really didn't want to waste time. I just wanted to show you the eye look, how I achieved my eyeshadow. I think I'm going to be focusing more on eyeshadow nowadays. It seems like foundation, concealer, that just takes a lot of time, and most people just really want to see the eyeshadow because that's where most people have issues with. So I'm going to focus my videos on eyeshadow application. Once in a while I might show foundation, concealer, but most of my videos henceforth are going to concentrate more on the eyes, whether one eye or both eyes, any one, but it's sharp, basically eyeshadow. So if you want to learn how to achieve eyeshadow blending, how to do your eyeshadow like a professional, then you definitely want to subscribe, you definitely want to like this video, and you definitely want to turn on notifications so that every single time I post about an eye look, you get notified. Thank you so much for sticking around. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope I see you in my next video. Don't forget to like, don't forget to follow, and do not forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.